Day 16 to becoming unrecognizable. Now let's go get dressed. This is my outfit for today. Now let's go get some coffee and work out.
Best party day!
Good job. The best part of the day. Salud. This is what my kids are going to be eating. Some eggs and some ham. I'm going to give you a little moment to go grab your Bibles. Today we are going to read John 2:17 through 25. Then his disciples remembered what it says in the Bible, "My love for your house burns inside me like a fire." The Jewish leaders asked Jesus, "What is your authority to do this? Do a miracle to show us that you really do have authority." Jesus answered them, "If you destroy this house of God, I will build it up again in 3 days." The Jews replied, "People have worked for 46 years to build this temple, but you say that you will build it again in 3 days." But the house that Jesus was speaking about was his own body. The disciples remembered this when Jesus had become alive again after his death. They remembered that he had said this. Then they believed what the Bible taught. They also believed the words that Jesus had spoken. While Jesus was in Jerusalem for the Passover festival, he did many miracles. Many people saw these miracles that showed he was from God. As a result, they believed in Jesus. But Jesus himself did not trust the people. He knew what all people are really like. He did not need anyone to tell him what people are like. He knew already what was really in each person.